Exesha Puzet, it's your boy NGESI the King, and I'm back again with another guy here.
Hello guys, my name is Lisedi and I go by the name of Lisedi_WWN on all platforms.
Tango, please. Shoot. They must like follow you right now, you know.
They must
Okay.
to the most, you know what I'm saying. To the most, follow me. Yeah.
Okay, like Lisedi. Like in Petama Kushini, a few, you know. Like few questions, you know. First of all, let me just give about NGESI, you know. How was school talk?
School. I feel like school is a good thing, but the problem is school has put us in a box. Like they are training us like dogs when you go to school. They're training you to go work for someone, and they're training you to do things that you don't wanna do. Like if you wanna be successful and be a businessman and stuff, you can't go to school for that.
Yeah, dog, for me, like, I was calling a say, dog, I don't wanna lie. Yeah? Like, I drop out.
Yeah, I don't think you need school for many things. I think you can use school and develop skills that will help you for a different thing. But you can't go to school and be like, "Funukenza course, course I'm gonna do this when I leave here." Yeah. Nah, that's not what school is for. I feel like school is just there for a foundation, just help you who's tall. Like while you're still trying to find yourself who's tall, say, when you know what to do, push into yakho. Some people vele bazoyesgela babe successful and then kube nabanye abangayanga esgela babe successful. So as funny as abantu kuya ngokuthi life yakho injani noNkulunkulu ukuthi ukuphathele.
Because like because like ungaya esgela uqeda isikole ube ne degree but you can't even get a job.
Yeah, so na unemployment ibhaya because sonke uthembela ukuthi ngenze le career ngifuna ukuyenza yona awubheka ukuthi le career le mayengisiza izongisiza ngento enjani ngithola. Awubheka ukuthi what else can I do within the bounds of this degree that I have that will help me in the future.
Doc, for no wasting no time, I'm here to ask you a few questions, right? Yeah. Since we learn nige uthi isikolo sinjani, hey. Simnandi sekomnandi, you know. Okay, my man, I'm going to ask you like simple questions. Easy peasy, you know. First question is, when I go to interpret in English the question learn. Why answer? Do not answer, interpret in English.
So I must change it to English.
Yes.
Okay, yes.
It takes us now in July.
Yo. Ngesilungu. How many taxis have passed here throughout the day? It could work. Because if 47, 48, it's the number that you need to give to the person.
Wait, repeat. You said?
How many taxis have you seen today?
How many taxis?
Have you seen today?
The question is in Zulu language. It takes us now.
Yes, but if I directly translate, it's not gonna sound nice because I'm gonna say, how many taxis? It doesn't sound right. So I think that's the best interpretation I can do.
Obvious, most like how many you said all of the taxis, you know.
Okay, let me just say, yo.
They are bad news.
Yo. Okay, out of all the taxis you've seen, what number is the taxi that just passed now? If you count them word for like taxi for taxi. So yeah, it could work like that.
Okay.
Could work like that.
Okay, question number 2. Come closer, man. Come closer. Question number 2.
Yeah.
The question number 2 is YINI answer regele. Yeah. YINI INKOMO ye English ngesizulu.
INKOMO ye English.
YINI INKOMO ye English ngesizulu.
INKOMO ye English.
Yeah.
INKOMO ye English ngesizulu.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not understanding. INKOMO ye English ngesizulu. Izame ukuyibuza ngeindlela. I'm not understanding.
Okay. Let me say, okay. What is the? No, singamupi answer. No, singagupi answer. No. Singagupi answer. This part, that's one. Okay. Question number 3, right? Yeah. But you didn't. As long as you answer question number 2.
Ute INKOMO ye English. Angiyazi INKOMO ye English.
YINI INKOMO ye English ngesizulu.
Inkomo ye English.
Inkomo ye, yeah.
I see lobola.
So you're saying it's a lobola?
Inkomo ye English ile mina ngazi.
Okay. Okay, you don't know what's in inkomo?
Yeah. Ngiyazi inkomo is a cow, yes.
Yeah.
Mara inkomo ye English ngesizulu angazi.
You don't know.
Ngiki answer once angiyazi. Uthe inkomo ye English ngesizulu mina ngiyazi.
But you should the answer. Oh, but I asking you lapho ushilo the answer mara kazwa.
Kumele uthi yini inkomo nge-English hayi inkomo ye-English ngesizulu hayi nawe uyangilaza.
This is simple. Listen. Yini inkomo ye-English ngesizulu?
Uyawuza ukuthi ufuna ngithi inkomo.
Inkomo ye-English it's a cow. Ngesizulu yini inkomo? Inkomo.
Mara uthe inkomo ye-English ngesizulu ayungilahlile ke. Leyo even if ngithole right
i-answer ile ngiqale ngayo inkomo ye-English inkomo ngesizulu.
Oh, okay.
You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it.
Yeah.
Question number 3.
Yeah.
Question number 3, it's it. Which do blind people speak?
Which language do blind people speak?
Yeah.
I don't think I think they speak sign language, but they speak in the language that they are taught. So if go over Kulumi Zulu, in his mind Kulumi Zulu, but he's interpreting it in sign language. So I don't know if I should say sign language or the language that you grew up hearing. So yeah.
Guys.
Blind people. Blind people, ne?
Answer the question.
If he said blind people, then it's the language that they grew up knowing. So English, Zulu, whatever. I thought you said
But you said, okay, never mind. Name Zulu 10. Zulu 10.
Pindi question.
Zulu 10.
Pindi question.
Oh, Zulu 10.
Yeah, I'm pasting the pindi question.
Never mind, Sanjula. Thank you for that. Thank you for that. Thank you for that, Machi. Thank you, Machi. Thank you for answering, Machi. Please shout out your Instagram page and then we're done.
Okay, guys, as I said, my Instagram page is Lisedi_WWN, my TikTok, my YouTube. So guys, go to the most, subscribe to my channel, follow my pages, and do the most for your boy. Yeah, thank you.
Exe. Sharp kuze bafethu. It's your boy Nkosi King. Ngiphethe ama ladies lana. Uthi ngiqale ngapha. Welcome.
Nhlombo Jabari.
Nhlombo
Jabari.
Nhlombo Jabari.
Jabari.
Jabari. Cishe ngaJampani.
Ona le nna Kgosi mang.
Okay, past that one. All right, bafethu, I'm back with another beautiful ladies. I know ukuthi ngimuhle ne mara ngicela ukuthi ubheke i-camera. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, I'm back with another beautiful ladies lana. I'm gonna ask them 3 questions. Yeah, simple questions. Ayekho nzima, simple, easy peasy. Are you ready? Ready?
Yeah, I am.
Okay. Question number 1 is yini inkomo? Uyazi ukuthi inkomo uthini? It's a cow. Yeah. Yini inkomo ye English ngesizulu?
No, come on, repeat the question. Inkomo ye English ngesizulu.
Yini inkomo ye English ngesizulu?
I can't answer that. Theo, I can't.
I cannot answer that.
Why?
Because complicated question. I understand.
Let me repeat the question again. Yini inkomo ye English ngesizulu with the Zulu language?
Inkomo how?
So
Mara like okay. Yo, inkomo.
yeah. Yini into difficult. Thank you so much, ladies. So we can continue.
Yeah.
Okay, question number 2. guys. Question number 2 is wonke umuntu uyayazi le. Eka Mandela nayazi angithi. Simple yani. Yeah.
Until they ask another question.
Yeah.
No, I'm not sure if I know it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ithini question kaMandela?
It's in when?
Ithi question kaMandela. Ubani igama likaMandela? No, I'm saying wrong, ane? I'm saying wrong, ane?
No.
I'm saying wrong, ane?
Ubani igama laka Mandela?
Is the question right or
What's Mandela's surname? Ki Mandela. How?
Mandela.
Ki Mandela. No, phela ikhamera ningabheki mina.
Oh, what's the
Another question number 3. You shake, ane? Why shake? Guys, why shake?
Saka pink or
And do white, saka pink. Question number 3. Yeah, when you are relaxed. You are relaxed. Yeah. Question number 3 is Eri. Interpret in English and the question le. Ungai answer. Do not pray. Do not pray. Yeah, do not pray. Ngidlulile lapho. I-Texas ngakhe lendlulayo. I-Texas ngakhe lendlulayo. Interpret in English.
okay, let me think, ne?
Yeah.
Utheni?
I-Texas ngakhe lendlulayo.
Well, okay.
Friend, come in here.
Yo, no, come on, guys. Okay. Yo, okay. Okay. Look in the hand, dog. Come and help me.
Chomi, come in here. Come on. Chomi.
So, kumele ngibeke kanjalo.
Yeah, but with the English language.
Hey, yo, ha. Yo, that's a common like yo.
I don't know. Yo,
English.
Yeah. But angazama ke.
No man, I know the answer ne. If I can like give it a
Oh, you akesiza ukuthi uthini ke?
Yena matala.
Hayi, matala ngwadluli.
Handle imibuzo ozamatala sibuze ngeEnglish.
Matala
Yes,
experience.
Mashele.
Hey. Awusathi silungu. Bye bye.
Ube ngeEnglish.
Hey, bathu. Matala bala.
Even the band, even you know where the danger is.
Yeah, isho le cabangayo ke.
Hayi ngifuna no, hayi lengicabanga no.
What if right?
What if I'm wrong?
Yazi kumnandi ukuzama guys.
Akukho mnandi because of no. No, I can't.
You can't.
Yeah.
Okay, cela ukuphi yokugcina pause. Awuzange uanswer 2. Kuphi yokugcina. If YES spells yes, what does EYES spells?
Could you repeat the question?
Muso ukuthi he ngoba okay video anyway. Na muso ukuthi he ngoba okay video. Woza. Come back woza.
Oh, sabonisa abantu
Woza.
siyabuya kanti.
Asibonisa ukuthi siyabuya anti sense. Yeah, sesiya.
Repeat the question the same.
If YES spells yes, what does EYES spells?
What does
Yes. YES spells.
Yeah.
Yes.
I cannot answer that.
What?
I cannot answer that. Hey, like It's kinda.
If
YES spells E.
YINI. Uyahlanya na?
if YES spells yes, what does EYES spells? Namani ngayitholi.
EY.
No, like khulumela fast fika kule usibuza yona. If
Yeah.
YES
Yes.
spells yes.
Yes.
And then you were saying what?
What does EYES?
E Y.
La bantu bafuna ukuthi ngibagama answer. Bathungu. Ha.
Eyes. ES eyes.
You sure?
Yeah.
Like sure, tell me sure.
Not really, but
no,
I
I'm
think
not
it's
sure.
eyes.
No, I'm not really sure, but YES.
It's eyes. Like the way, like yes, I got dude. EYES.
Now we sure about the answer. When are you trying to trick
Eyes.
us? You are-
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure. It's not ears.
Eyes.
Eyes.
Yeah, ears.
Are you sure? Show me.
ARRS.
EYES. It's eyes.
EARS.
Exactly. Eyes.
Okay, question yokugcina ke. For ukuthi uthombe angekho.
Yeah.
Ah, you buza mina.
Ngibuza wena chum.
Tumuzonginceda ngithi.
Are you ready? Ready angithi?
I was born ready.
I was born ready. Wow, okay. Question yokugcina it eerie. Which language do blind people speak?
Sign language.
Oh, what the fuck? Do blind people speak?
Yeah.
Oh shit. No.
Which language
This language.
do blind people speak?
Nanga siyarabi. Oh,
Nah, I don't know.
Mara ngathi ushilo.
Nah, it's wrong.
sign language.
Which one?
Sign language is wrong. Cause
Okay. You said it's wrong. Okay.
I don't know.
blind
You
people.
don't know.
No, yeah, it's cool. No, yeah, it's cool. Yeah.
Which one?
Sign language ke ba sa khone ho bua dog. Blind people.
Babua yona sign language. Yeah.
Which one?
But not all of them. Some of them they can speak the way we speak. Some of them they can speak like by the sign languages. So I
Yeah.
balanced.
Okay, like be straight, Annie. Be straight. Be straight.
Ke straight. Some of them
What is your answer?
Babua language e re buang. Babua ka molomo.
Blind people,
Hey, blind people, they can speak.
not deaf. Blind people.
Bruh.
I'll get the top
That-
up.
I'll get it down. We thinking- never.
I said which
I know what I'm saying.
you said you said what? Yeah.
Bakhuluma the best khuluma ngakhona.
You said what did you say? What's that?
I said sign people before, but sign language.
Sign language.
Yeah.
Sign language. Speak. Okay, all right. No, thanks. Come on. Was great. Like just great was. Just great. Show me was man. Oh.
Yo.
Hey, this one, okay. One big ajala man show. I'm not good, I'm beautiful.
Mafra.
Beautiful, yeah. Okay. No, set great.
Manje bongibizela.
Shout out your Instagram page.
Yeah.
Shout out your Instagram page.
I don't have Instagram.
Facebook.
Yeah, I think.
Shout out. Look at the camera.
Repeat the question.
Shout out your Instagram page.
Hayi.
Shout out your Facebook.
Hayi.
Oh, Maruto ukhona. Akashongo.
Khona mara angifuni.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Twitter.
Hayi, anginayo futhi ayikho.
Okay.
Shout out to my friends. You can I'm Tlampo Jabari, you can add and accept. Yeah.
Facebook. WhatsApp.
No. No, unchehe.
Okay guys, it's a point consider king. Bengiphethe amantombazane and you know sengiyi-1 manje abekho sebambile. Angazi ukuthi bambeleni. Angisho ukuthi siqedile. Ngithe bashintshe ama-intro wabo.